Do your eyes feel strained when using your phone in the dark? Let me show you how to use in the dark routine on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra to make the screen easier on your eyes. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Settings icon. Scroll down the screen, tap Mode and Routine. Now tap Discover. Scroll down the screen. Under Adaptive Routine section, select In the Dark. Here you will see preloaded condition and action. In the If section, tap Time Period and then set it to sunset until sunrise for every day. And tap Done. In the Then section, you will notice that dark mode is set to on, eye comfort shield is set to adaptive, and extra dim is set to on at 80%. And in the When Routine End section, its settings will return to its status before the routine started. At the bottom, you can choose to edit, share, or save this routine. So, if you often use your phone at night, turning on the In the Dark routine will automatically adjust your screen for low light, keeping your eyes more comfortable. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.